Oh yes! Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. Right here you're seeing Zach Osborne wrap up this year's AMA Outdoor Motocross Championship here in the United States on his Rockstar Husqvarna FC450. I got to give a huge shout out to Zach Osborne. He's been trying to do this for a long time, so congratulations. So in this video, we're going to feature the all-new 2021 Husqvarna FC450 Rockstar Edition. So let's get into it. The FC450 Rockstar Edition is a motorcycle built to perform at its highest level. With a successful collaboration between Rockstar Energy and Husqvarna Motorcycles, this model is based on both these teams coming together with their factory racing machine, competing in this year's 2020 AMA Supercross and Outdoor Championships. So let's get started with the motor. The single overhead cam cylinder head is incredibly compact and lightweight, using a short profile with a camshaft located close to the center of gravity as possible, improving handling and agility. This motor is simply amazing, turning out 52.4 horsepower at 10,100 RPM and 32.2 foot-pounds of torque. Also new in the motor is a CP bridge box piston, which includes a hard anodized compression ring, a newer connecting rod which features a bearing on the piston end to reduce friction, resulting in a higher level of performance and reliability. We can't forget to mention the full factory 4.1 exhaust system, which incorporates the latest in resonance chamber technology. It also features a blue anodized muffler body with a carbon fiber end cap. Also, I need to mention the subframe, which is completely built from carbon fiber. This two-piece subframe weighs in just over 2.2 pounds, saving more weight. Next is the Brembo brakes. The highest level of braking performance is delivered with class-leading Brembo calipers and controls. The 260mm floating front and the 220mm solid disc for the rear offers superior stopping power. Also, I definitely need to mention these Super Trick factory CNC machine triple clamps. Made from high-grade aluminum, they ensure high responsive and smooth fork action. Maximum gains in handling are provided by a simple offset adjustment of 20 or 22 millimeters. Also, the high-quality German-made Magura hydraulic clutch system, virtually maintenance-free and perfect modulation in any condition. The FC450 Rockstar Edition features a dampened diaphragm clutch system, which includes a single diaphragm pressure plate instead of the traditional coil springs. And for 2021, Husqvarna really focused on their suspension upgrades with their WP XACT 48mm split air fork, which features an air spring and pressurized oiled chamber for a progressive and consistent dampening feel. Also included in the Rockstar Edition is the mechanical hole shot device, which compresses the forks to minimize the front wheel from lifting off the starting gate. Also, Super Trick anodized DID Dirt Star rims. These wheels are fitted with a Dunlop MX33 motocross tire that are designed for more progressive cornering and superior grip. The new FC450 also features the Pro Taper style handlebar, which also includes a map switch, which gives you the ability to run 2 different map positions on the fly, along with a traction control, which limits the rear wheel spin. The FC450 also features a 44mm throttle body. The ejector is positioned to ensure the most efficient flow into the combustion chamber, providing more immediate throttle response and feeling. Can't forget to mention the benefit of an easy electric start system. A lightweight lithium 2 amp hour battery, and this battery weighs 2.2 pounds less than a conventional battery, bringing the total weight of the new FC450 to an astonishing 223 pounds. Well, there it is, kinda in a nutshell. The all-new 2021 Husqvarna FC450 Rockstar Edition. Woohoo! Another video down. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully this helps with your next purchase. This last summer I sold my 450 and definitely in the market to purchase a new one. Not sure exactly which brand I'm going to go with, but these new Huskies are looking super trick. So make sure you leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think of the new Huskies. Also let me know what brand you guys are riding, and let me know what you guys think's the best out there right now. And if you haven't already, make sure you scroll down below, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be up to date with my latest videos. Thanks again. I'm Chris with Chris Tech Tips, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.